And good afternoon. This is a My Jeep update. It's Thursday, October 6th, and it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I've done a little work on the Jeep so far today, mostly reviewing and research earlier today, but I have made a little progress. I've got my shims in on my carrier. You see there, I left that bracket off so you can see, and now on that side there I've got the bracket on. But what I did is one reason I was slowed up a little bit, I checked with Yukon, and I wanted to know if I could use mix and match on shims, and I got an affirmative, and I used my original shim on the right side, and I used the new shims to make a stack on the ring gear side. And the reason for that, the two factory shims, they were single shims, they were thick, and it was just too tight. I couldn't get them both in, but I could use one, and that's what I wanted to do. So anyway, I'm just now getting to a point where I can think about Backlash and pattern and see what I got on my pinion, if I have to make any more adjustments. And when I find that out, I'll get back with you. Now, some of the ways that and I'm sure all of you guys have seen this on other videos, this came in real handy because this was pretty tight, but tapping on the ring gear this way and then forcing it in, I was able to get it in almost all the way with my fingers. Then I just had to lightly tap with the hammer and it went on in. Now what I've seen is that may not be enough shims on this side, but it don't matter for right now, because I may have to change this. If there's too much shim on this side, I'll have to completely redo it, take that one big shim out. But anyway, that's where I'm at right now, and I'm gonna bolt everything up, and I'm gonna check Backlash, and I'll get back with you. It might be tomorrow. That's my Jeep out. Okay, I got the carrier back in. I've got them, I got the bolts tight, they're not torqued or anything. And just, this is what I got right now. I guess that's Backlash, but I gotta check it. And let me see if I can turn the, so anyway, that's what I got right now. And like I said yesterday, I was showing right at 15 inch pounds, 15 inch pounds on this preload. So anyway, I'm gonna take a break and come back with it later. And I gotta figure out how to set my Backlash, tool up. The dial indicator. Anyway, that's my Jeep update. We're out for